I'll be teaching you how to create a professional website with your smartphone for free. For free without having to pay a dime, okay? So to get started, go to your Chrome browser and type search www.renderforest.com www.renderforest.com. Okay, sorry, there is a typographical error there. Renderforest.com. Okay, this is it, the first on the list. Click on it, and here we are. Scroll down until you see get started. Yes, you can click on get started to start creating your design. Okay, here we have 5 different things you can do on this website. Okay, but what we want to focus on now is website. So click on website. You wait for it to load, and here we are. There are 2 options here. You can start to create your website from scratch. You can as well start with a template, but we are creating a professional website, a website that has no limitation, a big business website. So we'll be using the first option that says start from scratch. Let's explore. While we wait for it to load, I want you to know that this website is going to be created for free. Okay, so this is a tutorial video on how you can create a website from A to Z without having to pay a dime, without having to pay anybody to design a website for you. Now, after clicking on that, here we are. We have different components: the header, the feature, paper. All of these are components which you can select from, and when you select from these components, they are all editable. You can edit them to your choice. You can design them to your desired, to however you desire it. Okay, so I will scroll down until I find the one that is desirable to me. Okay, I think this is fine. I'll be making use of this template here. So when you click on the template you want to make use of, it will be highlighted, and after highlighting, that has been highlighted, click on the plus sign. Do you see the plus sign in blue color? Yes. So it is loading now. It is loading. Everything on these components, on this template, is very much editable. All are editable. Okay, so this is what we have now. Okay, here on the top left corner you can see add logo. Meanwhile, this is an image. This image is removable. This is also an image which is removable. All these are text and they are removable. Okay, so I know that this image right here may not be what you want to use. What you want to use depends on the brand you're building a website for, depending on the picture, the purpose of the website you're creating. So that is what the picture and the text depend on. So I would like us to start from the beginning. It is a step-by-step tutorial. So let's take the add logo. When I click on add logo, these are the options that pops out. Upload my file, stock image. Okay, let me explain. You might have had your logo ready to be used on your gallery or on your folder or on your drive. So what do? You have to click on upload to get it. Okay, when you click on upload, it will take you to your gallery or to wherever your logo or your picture is saved, and from there you can make use of it. If you click on my file will take you to the images you already have on this website. If you have been using this website before, whatever image you have used so far will be kept for you under my file. So if you want to make use of an image which is already used before, now you can go to my file. And this stock image, let's check it out. Stock image is where you can bring out your imagination into reality. These are pictures that are from online, but assuming you don't want these pictures, you want to create a new picture from your imagination, look at the search bar up there. You can type search. Let me say I want a picture of a hair of a woman putting on hair. Do you see varieties? So that is what stock image can do for you. Now I will not be using stock image. I'll be using upload. Okay, so let's wait for the upload. I'll go back to the upload now, and from the upload I can get my picture from my gallery. So here, after clicking on upload, this is what I have. I'll be making use of this picture here for my logo. I'll be using this for my logo. Well, this is a screenshot, so I shouldn't use a screenshot for my logo. I should get a proper picture, a PNG format from my folder to make my design a professional one. So I'm going to get the picture now from the folder. Don't panic, guys. Sometimes it could take some seconds to open up. Maybe you want to open a template, or you want to open your folder. Sometimes it will hang. You are designing with a phone, a mobile phone. You are not designing with PC, so it is bound to happen. It is bound to happen. So just learn to put up with it whenever anything like that comes up. So here we have a logo. You can insert the logo up there. So we go for that. This picture is not what I want. So do you see when you click on the picture, these two arrows up here will pop up. One is representing gallery folder, while one is representing edit, the one that look like pencil. Okay, to change this picture, what do? I will click on the gallery folder. Clicking on the gallery folder, okay, and it will take me to my gallery. Upload, follow the same process which we followed when we're changing the logo. So upload, it will take us to the picture folder where I can select an image of my choice, an image that best describe the website I'm creating. So I'll be choosing this image right here. Okay, so when you choose the image, you can click done. Then you can preview if what you have there is what you would like to have. I think that is fine. The next is this image of a woman's leg. I would like to change the image as well, so I'm going to follow the same process. Okay, I'm going to use this image here. I think I like that image, so I'm going to make use of it. Okay, it is perfect. So it is loading, but while waiting for it to load completely, you can start racking your brain. I mean, before now, you should put up your write-up together, all the write-up you want to use that best describe your brand. You can put them up together. Okay, so inspire people to create. No, that is not what I should have on my website, because I am not inspiring anybody to create anything. So I am going to tell people about my brand. So I will tell people my brand name, and this brand name is Girl-D Airports. Okay, so that is fine. Now look at the other write-up in blue. I want to also change that because the text here does not depict what this brand represents. So I will edit now. Girl-D Airport is a brand that deals on okay, you have to zoom in so you can see what you're working on. That deals on assorted hairs ranging from top countries like Vietnam, China, India, etc. Okay, so you can put as much as you want. Meanwhile, I want to show you something. Look at that. There are some effects there. There are some effects that are available for your text. If you want to edit your text, look at this bold. It was bold before, so you can decide to make it bold. If it was not bold, you can also decide to remove the bold. Okay, this is italic. I can make it italic if I want. It is italic now. I can underline my text if I want, but I don't want to underline my text. I can also look at those alignments. You can choose how you want your text to be. Okay, it is not on the center. You can choose to make it to be at the right, but I would like it to all be at the left this way, and I would prefer to remove the underline and make it bold as it was before. So I have just showed you how you can edit your text. Okay, so the next thing we have here is, do you see the get started button? This get started button, it is whatever you want this button to lead your audience to is where it will lead them to. So when you click this get started, where does it lead them to, or what happens? Well, I will click this get started to see what we have there, but to click on this website get started, you have to long press it. When you long press it, you will see these two icons here, the setting icon and the delete icon. Let's make use of the settings icon. Now, one thing is that you have to zoom in this website so that when you do something, you can see what you're doing. When you zoom it out, the page cannot contain what we pop out, so you have to zoom it in. Okay, let's check out the settings. What does the setting have for us? It is zoomed in, it is zoomed out, zoom it in. Okay, what does the setting have for us? Let's check out. Sometimes it could be like this, it could do all of that, but you don't have to panic. If it's giving you a tough time, you can leave that and go to the next. Okay, let's say Lemon. Don't click once. Once you click once, it takes you to a different interface entirely. So just ensure you're clicking on the settings. Okay, Lemon. When people click on Lemon, where does it take them? You might want your Lemon button to take them to your WhatsApp. So what do you do here? You have to open a web address. When you open a web address, you input a open a web address, you put in your WhatsApp details. Okay, when you put in your WhatsApp details, it will bring them directly to your WhatsApp. So let's try it out. What's your okay? So here, open a web address. After you might have opened a web address, here you can input your WhatsApp details. You can input your WhatsApp details. That is your WhatsApp link. So before doing this, you must have gotten your details, all that will be needed ready. So I'm going to input my WhatsApp link, which I have just done. Okay, so I'll save. So when somebody click on learn more, it will bring them to my WhatsApp DM. You can decide to put a different website link. You may want to put your Facebook link. Whatever you put in there is what will be there, and that is where it will lead people to whenever they click on that. So get started. You can also do the same. Let's not waste our time. You can also do the same. So here is another image. This image should be changed because it is not something that I want. So I'm going to change this image right now. I'm going to upload a different image, an image that best describe my brand. So that is what I'm going to. Okay, let me put one of these beautiful images here. I'm putting this. Okay, it's loading, guys. Okay, while it's loading, look at those 4 social media icon also, which is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Here you can decide to add your links, all the links of the social media. If that's what you want, all you have to do is to long press on each and every one of them, one after the other. And when you long press on any, you will see these 3 icons popping out. The first one is link, the second one is edit, while the third one is delete. I'm going to make use of link because I want to put my Facebook link, so that's why I'm going to make use of link. Meanwhile, don't forget you have to zoom in. If you do not zoom in, you might be having some hard time. So I'm zooming it in. Okay, here I can put my Facebook link here. Before you do this, just ensure you get all your details gathered in a place where it will be easy for you to get. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and input my own link, which I have just done, and add. So when somebody click on my Facebook or click on this Facebook, it takes them directly to my Facebook page. Okay, I will be editing this Instagram also. Let me edit the Instagram. Okay, if you do not have all those links, maybe you don't want to put your LinkedIn, or you don't even have a LinkedIn account, or you don't have a Twitter account, you can easily delete those icons. Okay, you can equally edit it to your preferred social media. Okay, see what I'm talking about here. Look at this Twitter. I don't want to put the Twitter link, so I want to delete it. Do you see? When you long press it, these 3 icons will pop out. Then you can take any action of your choice. I've deleted it and it is out of the way. Now the third one is LinkedIn. That's in the middle. I don't have LinkedIn link to this account or to this website. So what do? I have a website. I have a WhatsApp. I also have a Google account or Gmail, whatever, or YouTube. You can change it to whatever. So if you decide to change it, click on the pencil icon, and when you click on the pencil icon, do you see all these has popped out? And when they popped out, you can choose any of your choice which you would like to put in there. I'll put WhatsApp. This is a tutorial video, so I'm trying as much as possible to make it very, very brief so that the video will not be too long and it will not be too bulky. So now that I've put a WhatsApp icon, I have to put a WhatsApp link, right? So I'm gonna copy my WhatsApp link again and put in there. So guys, the website which you might have been seeing online all over social media, on YouTube and Google, all those websites are constructed this way. You can do the same. Okay, that is why I'm teaching you this. You can become a professional web designer at the finger of your tip. I mean, under your roof, right from your home, with your smartphone. You don't need to own a PC before you can do all of this. So this is how far we have come. I think this website is looking beautiful already. Okay, now we have exhausted all the components, or did I say all the templates on this component. So what you want to do, and you want to continue, right? What we do now is to add another component so that we can continue to edit until we have enough. So do you see the plus sign underneath, that blue line with the plus sign? So what you do is to click on it. When you click on it, it will automatically take you to where you can add another component. Okay, where you can add another component like we did in the first place, and you can add a component of your choice and edit it to your taste. And when you edit to your taste, a lot of things, I mean, Everything you need is here on Render Forest. Those big brands that designs websites make use of this. Ask, but nobody will tell you. But on a platter of gold, I'm giving you this wealth of information for free. I think there's a network issue, you just have to wait for it. Okay, I'm giving you this wealth of information for free. With this knowledge, you can go pro in your designing game. You can make 6 to 7 figures. Okay, you can do anything you can think of. While we wait for the network issue to subside, I will keep on telling you that yes, it has opened now. Okay, it has opened. From here you can choose any component of your choice. So what do I want here? I want to add a slider where I can put pictures, varieties of pictures for customers or for potential clients to see whenever they visit my website. So I'm going to click on slider. Now I've clicked on slider and it's going to bring me a lot of components that are under slider. So I'm going to make use of this up here. Click on plus like we did in the first place, and it will be added. So while we wait for it to add, guys, you can make 6 to 7 figures out of this wealth of knowledge that I'm giving out to you for free. Okay, I am not charging you for this knowledge. If I should charge you, it is worth more than 200,000 naira, because to design a website it costs nothing less than 70 to 100,000 naira. Yes, that is what random website designer charges to create a website for brands, but I'm giving you this information for free. So here we have these pictures, and you can edit all these pictures to your choice, just like we did in the start. We can edit all of it to our choice. So I'm starting the editing work already. So I have my picture screenshot already, so that it will be easier, so that this video will not be too long. So I want to showcase just my product, right? Just my product, so that when clients visit this website without asking too much, without doing too much, they can see few of my samples. Okay, now if you take note, you see that this is just 4 slides. Like you can see slide 4 of 4. It is just 4 slides available. Well, if you want more slide, you can just click on add slide. Do you see add slide underneath? And if you want to reduce the slide, you can easily click on remove slide. Okay, so with this you can add as many pictures as you want. You can add 200 pictures, you can add 10 pictures, you can add as many pictures as you so wish to add. So there's no limitation to the numbers of pictures you can add here. So because of our time, I'm going to fill up just the 4 slides. Okay, I'm going to fill up the 4 slides that we have here. Okay, so guys, I've added the pictures and I want to edit all of this text here. As I said before, whatever it is that is on this template, as long as it is clickable, it is also editable. So I'm going to change all of this text to befit the purpose of this website. Okay, so what do I want to do now? I will edit all of these templates. I will edit it to my desired, and I'm trying to make the video as short as possible so that it will be very, very accessible by everyone. Okay, so this is what we have now. This is what I've designed so far. So look at this, our services. We have edited all of this text to suit or to befit the brand which we are creating this website for. So it is all about hair, and hair. So you just have to be, you have to be careful and pay attention to every detail. So what next do you want to add to this website? If it were you creating this website, the next thing to be added to this website should be testimonials. I mean, customers review, right? It is very important. I mean, it builds somebody's trust, especially a prospect, a new time visitor, a customer or a client or a prospective client, someone who has not bought from you, that is intended to buy from you. So the first impression matters. They may not know you, maybe they are visiting your website for the first time through recommendation. They want to be sure of what they are buying, they want to be sure of the brand they want to give their money to before they can buy. So one of those things that fascinates a prospect to buy from a new brand is those testimonies from those who have already used the product. So what next do you think we should add now? I think we should add clients. You can add clients, we can also add testimonials. So let's see clients. Okay, you can add your customers review, whatever. Your review can be in written form. It can also be a pictorial view of what your customer has sent to you before now. So I would prefer this review to be a pictorial view of what customer has sent before now. So I will not be using, well, I didn't see a template that I would like to use here. All of these are in written form. I would like to use a pictorial review. So let's wait while it loads. We can get it under testimonials. We can also get it under clients. Okay, look at all of these are for your use. Okay, this is what best describe what I need among all others, so I'm going to make use of this. It's not a must that you make use of this. It's just a tutorial video. There are better templates you can make use of. You just have to explore and explore. Okay, so it's loading. Let's wait while it loads. All of these pictures are foreigners. These are foreign people pictures. They are not my clients, or let me say they are not in any way buyers of this brand that we are creating this website for. So what do? We just have to click on each of these pictures and edit it to the desired picture, maybe a picture that the brand owner has sent to you or whatever. Okay, so here you can see a difference, and there is a slight difference from this picture and the other we have edited. The difference is that here when you click on picture, you can see a link icon popped out. Before it was just these three: the gallery, the delete, and the edit. Now the link icon popped out. Why did it pop out? It popped out because you might want to make a reference to a client. Okay, and you know what it means to make a reference? It's not just when you're making a reference, it is now more than a review. You're giving the person, I mean, you're letting the person know that you are making a reference of him. Now the name is here, the post this person hold is there, and the link is there. Now if you want to make a reference, when you click on that link, if this person you're making a reference about has a social media link, maybe a website link or whatsoever, you can input the link there, so that if your clients want to verify if this person you're making a reference of is your client for real, they can easily contact them, or even through the link go through their social media or their website and see for themselves. Okay, so that is why the link is out there, but we are not making a reference for anyone. We are not referring anybody or making a reference of anybody. So what we want to do is follow the same process which we had followed before. Click on all these pictures, edit it, edit the name. Okay, and that is all we will do. So we'll be doing that now. So this is what our customers review look like. Okay, everything has been edited to how it should look, and everything is looking so beautiful now. So the next thing on our list is, don't forget I said I don't want this video to be long, or it's just a tutorial video, right? So I'm trying as much as possible to see how I can make it short. So having that in mind, I have to let you know that there's no limit to the length of your design here. You can add as many components as possible, as many components as you want, as long as you are not running out of content, as long as you have many other things to add up, you can add as many as possible. Okay, so what is the next thing you think or you feel should be added here? Whatever you feel you want to add, you may want to add a video tutorial, you can go ahead and do that. You may want to add widgets if that's what you want. You may want to, whatever you can think of. You may want to add a promo, a sales promo, which will be accompanied with a countdown. You can add all of that, but because this is a tutorial video, I can go on and on and on. Your review, the same thing, you can add as many review as you want. Okay, so at this point I will be drawing the long curtain close by adding just one more thing: frequently asked questions. I think it is very important, because most times both customers and intended customers would want to learn one or two things about your brand before they dive in, so they tend to ask some questions. So what are those questions that they ask? We want to go there, click on the components, and add some frequently asked questions, so that you can best satisfy your customer. And when we are done adding these frequently asked questions, the next thing I would like to add is contacts. Okay, contacts, how you can be contacted. If you want your customers to follow you on your social media handle, if you want them to subscribe to your newsletter on your Gmail, if you want them to follow your YouTube channel, you want them to do all of that, we'll be adding it in the contact list after we might have added the FAQ, which is frequently asked questions. So let's go, guys, it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. So frequently asked question, FAQ, let's add FAQ. Okay, so we have all of this. We can choose from any of this. Okay, so let me look for the best. I'll look for the one that best suits my interest. The one that interests me is what I'm going to make use of. So you can scroll down, you can scroll up, you can go back and forth to get what you want. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'll go up, go down until I get what I want. Well, I wouldn't want this video to be long, as I've been saying before now, so let me just take one. Okay, let me make use of this. It's loading. You just have to make use of components that will befit what you're representing. Okay, select a component that will suit your website, that will suit what you're creating already. Okay, so this is what we have here. I think it's fine. So here you can find the answer to the most frequently asked question. It's fine. So you just want to edit this to your taste, edit this to befit what you're working on. So the first question I want to ask here is, how long does delivery take? And underneath I'm going to type in my answer. So my answer here is delivery take 48 to 72 hours. So it's fine. Now I want to, this is a second question that I want to edit. So let me edit it. I'm going to edit it. So what is the question? Do you accept installment pay? Yes, people frequently ask this question. So whatever business you are into, you should know the questions that people frequently ask you. Okay, so those are the questions you are going to put up here and provide answers to. Yes, we accept installment pay split in 3 within 6 weeks. Okay, that is fine. And let me ask this one last question that people will always ask. This one last question goes like this. I'm trying to mark it all so I can edit once. Okay, people usually ask this question: do you have a walk-in store? That is an outlet where they can walk into and buy from you. Yes, the answer is yes. I do have a walk-in store. So my answer, okay, my answer is yes. We have an outlet. So it's fine. How to upload it? Well, you can add more, you can also delete. I don't want this. 3 is enough for me, so I've deleted it. Okay, I've deleted the last one, which is useless to me. So you can delete, you can also add. So at this point, this is what we have. So the one last thing that I would like to add is contact is very important. Let's add contact. So as I explained before, now contact is where you have all your social media in one place. So you can go for contact, you can go for footer, it's all the same. So I prefer to go for footer because I get the desired design from footer. So okay, let me make use of this. No loitering about, there's no time. Okay, and this component is loading. So I'm going to edit all of this social media here. If I happen to have all of them, I edit all of them to my link, add my link in there, and my website is all ready. It's all ready to be published. Okay, so here we are. Email, enter your email. You can enter your own email here, but I want to let you know that when your client comes to visit your website and they enter their email, automatically they will subscribe to your newsletter. And when they subscribe to your newsletter, each time you make a broadcast, each time you send out newsletter to your subscriber, it will get to them. If you have a product alert, it will get to them. If you have new products, you have whatever message you want to pass across, it will get to them because they subscribe to your newsletter. So I'm going to enter my own email address. Okay, so when I enter my email address, it is all set, and the next thing you want to do is click on all of these social media underneath, and just as we have done before, edit them one after the other and delete whichever one you want to delete. This is Facebook. I want to put in my link. Yes, add social link. Don't forget, you may have to zoom it in so you can achieve a better result. So I've zoomed it in. Okay, so here I can edit it, and I can edit that and put my Facebook link. So let me get my Facebook link. This is a Facebook link for this particular brand I want to market. I'm creating a website for. So that's my Facebook link, and I'm gonna add. After adding, I'm going to click on the next. I don't have Twitter. If you have Twitter, you can add. If you don't have Twitter, do where to delete it. It is as easy as ABC. So I've deleted my Facebook when I meant to delete my Twitter. So what do I do since I made this mistake? What I will do is to scroll up, and you will see these two arrows that are in opposite directions. Do you see those arrows? Let me show you. Look at those arrows. Yes, those arrows. Click the first one, and it will undo what you have just done. It will undo it. So I've undo what I did, and I think I should have my Facebook back. Yes, as expected, my Facebook is back. It is the Twitter I want to delete, so let me click on the Twitter all over again and delete. Okay, now the Twitter is highlighted properly. I've clicked on delete. I can delete it. Okay, I can delete it. The next thing I want to do is put in my Instagram link. Let me get my Instagram link. Don't forget, it will be easier for you if you get all of your details ready in one place, so you will not have to be running from Instagram to Facebook to the other, So what I'll do is to remove the link there and put in my own. So it is set now, and the next thing I want to do is to my YouTube channel. Well, I have a YouTube channel, but I don't think I copied the link. Let me check. I don't think I copied the link. If I didn't copy the link, I wouldn't want to go and start. Okay, the link is not copied, so what I'll do is to delete this Pinterest. I have no Pinterest, so I'm deleting. So I've deleted the YouTube. I can also delete, and I can also go get my link. You can add from plus. You can add. Okay, so this text, you may want to put in a text if you want. AI can help you generate a text, but right now everything is set. I want to show us one more thing. Do you see this plus sign here? This plus sign up here, let me show you. Okay, this plus sign up here, if you notice, you will see that other components also have the same. Okay, do you see this sign is also here? It's here as well. So you can go on and on. If you go up, you will see all of that. So whatever you want to add, you must be sure of where you're clicking the plus sign from. If you click from the middle, then whatever you add will be inserted in the middle. So each of the components have its own control arrows. Okay, let me put it that way. So you have to be sure of where you're clicking. At this point, our website is ready. It's ready. But there's one more thing. Yes, everything is set now. Everything is ready. Let's take a look again. This is what we have now. Whoa, this is so beautiful. I think. Take a look, right? This is so beautiful, guys. I don't think we've spent up to 30 minutes here, but see what we've done already. So under a twinkle of an eye, you can create an eye-catching professional website that can function anywhere without limitation. One last thing that we have to do before I call it off. Look at this. Do you see the 3 line over there? Do you see that? Yes. We want to click it because we'll be designing what our website home will look like. Our website home, what it will look like. We are going to design that now. There is this saying that says that the first impression matters a lot. Okay, when people click your home, what is that first thing they will see? Okay, so I'm going to click on add link, and add link. I'll make it 4 links. Okay, just calm down. You will understand it better by and by. So on this home, what do we want to do? What are we doing here? Look at what we'll do now. This home is like, should I call it a call to action? No, it's not really a call to action, but it is a shortcut to all the details you have on your website. It is a shortcut to it. So as we are now in home trying to design what a home should look like, you create new link. It is those new link you will be editing to whatever you want to edit to. Don't worry, this is hanging now. It is always like this at this home interface, but don't panic. We are designing with smartphone. Normally we're supposed to design with PC, but we've just devised a means by which you can design everything with your smartphone. So it is bound to occur. it is bound to occur. So when you design with website, when you're making your design with a mobile phone, sometimes you can experience hanging, glitch, and all of that. You just have to put up with it, okay? Meanwhile, when you're creating your website, you don't have to be in a hurry at all. I don't think we spent up to 40 minutes yet, but back then, I mean, those who are out there, they design website under 3 days. They make it look like to design a website is a whole lot. Some people design a website for a week, even a month. Yes, and you pay them handsomely. Nobody charges lesser than 70,000 naira to design this website out there. So imagine you making 70,000 naira. Let's say you design 4 websites in a week. Okay, let's assume you're not even charging 70,000 naira. You want to charge 25,000 naira per each website you design, and you are designing 4 websites in a week. 25,000 naira times 4 is 100,000 naira. And let's assume you did this round the clock for the whole of the month. That is 4 design in a week times 4 weeks in a month. You design 16 websites, and each of these websites gives you 100k in a week. That means you're bagging you're bagging 400,000 naira each month. That is 6 to 7 figures, as I said initially. I mean, a civil servant may not be making that money. The random job you do might not be fetching you that money, but here am I giving you this wealth of knowledge for free. So I think I can't even charge you, because if I should charge you, how much will you pay? What can you give back? What can you possibly pay back in return? I don't want anything in return. All I want is for you to get better, skill up. The country is not smiling. You just have to skill up and get better all around, okay? That is why I have decided that here, this 2024, I'm going to be impacting useful knowledge, not just knowledge. So knowledge I will waste, but useful knowledge that you can get into it, become skillful on it, and you monetize it, okay? I have numerous knowledges to unleash, to give out for free. I just need you to stay glued to my channel, stay glued to my social media handle, where you can have access, where you can first be notified whenever there is a new banger. Meanwhile, I have a mentorship group where I have over 500 students who are already making their cool money. Okay, so if you want to ask some questions, you want more guidance, you want a step-to-step guide, you need a mentor that will hold you by your hand, well, you can let me know in the comment section. I can also arrange a class for this set of students, okay? Meanwhile, don't forget to comment let me know what you feel about this video. Let me know if you actually got value for your data. Let me know if you're happy. Let me know if you will refer and share this video, okay? So we are here now. Let's click on new link. Just long press and the setting icon will pop, and when it pops out, what do you want to say here? I want to talk about our services, or let's say our products. And when you click on our product, where does it take somebody? It takes them. You can choose to put in a web address, which could be your LinkedIn link, your Instagram link, or your WhatsApp link. But I want this to take them to a component that is one of the components on the website which we have just designed. So I'm going to select the component. I would like it to take them to Slider. Slider is where where we have the products listed, right? So Slider, taking them to Slider. Okay, so I think it is self-explanatory now, right? It is very much self-explanatory. So when they click, whatever you set up on your home, if they click on any of it, it will redirect them to where you want them to be redirected to. So the next thing I'll be putting up here is I think I should put up FAQ. I mean, when you open people's website, you see these things. So there's no two ways about it other than this. This is the only way around this thing. So okay, go back to home, and get to the home and continue your design. Anytime it's like this occur, so continue until you've gotten your desired results, until you have designed your website to your taste. Okay, so I want to add FAQ here. FAQ. So just have to click on that new link, delete it, and put the headline FAQ. So when you open, or when people open, where should they take them? Should they make a call? No, I wanted to take them to a component, and that component is no other than FAQ. Okay, FAQ. It's fine. So I can now save. Okay. The next thing we will be doing now is to add a contact. Okay, everything is set, right? You can add as many things as you wish. Okay, so contact us. I'll just put contact us. Can be contact us. It can also be follow us. So where will it take them? I already have a contact component, right? So I'll just go to, okay, that is footer. I'll go to footer. Yes, the footer component, and save, and everything is set. Everything is ready right now. So guys, the long awaiting time has come. So what do you want to do now? I want to check what we have done so far. Let's preview our design. When we are done previewing our design, then we can go further and host our website. We can go further and publish our website. Okay. Okay. Whoa, guys, see what we have here. Oh this is super amazing. So everything is fine. You just have to go through your design and be sure that there's no error. You're leaving no stone unturned. So what you will do is click on publish. Do you see that? Look at publish here. Click on publish and you can continue from there. So let's go publish. So don't mind whatever you see here, just click on publish again. Do you see the other publish? Click on it. It's loading. Let's see what Render Forest has for us. I can't wait. Okay, it's loading. Okay, fetching site data. Yes, it's fetching your website data, checking to be sure that everything is well aligned. So let's wait for it while it loads, guys. Don't forget, as I will not stop telling you that this is a wealth of knowledge which you may hardly find someone who would impart it into you just as I have done on a platter, like for free. Oh no, it is kind of difficult, but I am giving it to you for free and I am providing free mentorship. Okay, meanwhile, I would like to let you know that all the images used on the website were created by me. Do you see those images, like cartoon-like images? All those, including the logos, I made them myself. I create logos, I create banners, I edit videos, I produce videos, I animate video, I do everything: videography, graphic designing, website designing, CSU registration, SMEDA registration, Google Space registration to give your brand the best visibility ever. Oh wow, our business has just been registered. Oh, this is beautiful. Do you see? It is now registered online. This is your link now. You can copy this link. So let's copy the link. Okay, copy link address. Now this link address is a link to your website. Now whoever you give this link to can access your website. Okay, have you ever told someone about your business and the person was asking you about your business website and you do not even have one? The look on your face will definitely be embarrassing, right? Well, you will no longer be embarrassed after this lecture because you're going to become a big brand website owner. You're going to become a website owner from now on. Okay, so whoever you send this link to can now go to the browser and access your website and see what you have. Okay, so I want to do something very important. In as much as I'm giving you this information for free, I don't want to leave any stone unturned. If that link remains the way it is right now, everybody will easily know your secret to creating this website. Do you see that it bears the name renderforestsites.com? No, I don't want it to be so. Okay, I want us to click on the link on the browser to see if it will lead us to the website which we have just created, to be sure that what we did worked. Oh my goodness, here we are right now. We now have a website, a functional website for free. I mean, this is beautiful. So this is what people will see whenever they click on that link. If I happen to share the link, this is what they'll see. So our website is well designed and ready. We're ready. So we have all of this which was designed. This is what it all look like. Everything is really beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. So we thank God for that. And thank you also for standing by, for watching. Okay, so as I was saying before, I wouldn't like to leave any stone unturned. I wouldn't like anybody to see that you made this website using Render Forest. So I wouldn't want your secret to be known. I want to show you how you can shorten this link. Do you see that? bit.ly.com. Type in in the search bar of a Chrome browser, bitly.com, and it will take you to Bitly website. Okay, Bitly is a link shortening app. Sorry, website. So what do? Come to this menu here. When you have opened to this interface, you might need to sign up on their website. Okay, you might need to just put in your email address and app and verify, and nothing more. It is for free. So here, click on create new and click on link. Do you see the link? When you click on link, it will bring you here, and you can paste the long website link for it to be shortened. So now that I've pasted the link, what will I do? Okay, just have to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see create. Click on create. It's creating. Successfully created and copied to clipboard. So you can copy. This is your link now. Your link, it is this short. You see, oh, that link is so short now, and it is beautiful. I want to show you your link. See how short your link is. Okay, now this is your link. This is this website's link. Though there is no trace of render forest or whatsoever. So that is it, guys. Whoever you give this link to can now go and access the website. The website is for free forever, and you can do all sorts of things. No limitation to what you can do, guys. I hope you gained value. You gain value for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to leave a thumbs up. Do not forget to turn up the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. I'll be making varieties of video. I'll show you how you can register your business so that you can be getting grants and loans from government. I'll show you how you can register your business on Google Space, on CAC, on Smedan. I'll show you whatever you want to know. You can ask me in the comment section. I will let you know. I will hold you by your hand and teach you everything. Thank you, guys. See you in the next class. Bye bye.